Now this thing was starting and it was fine, just messing with the idle screws, but it seems that those just kind of vibrate and go back to where they are, and then it only runs if you prime bulb. So I'm assuming something in the carburetor needs cleaned. I'm not exactly sure, but I guess I'll start it up and show you guys what it's doing. And it smokes a lot, so I'm going to take this outside before I just fill this garage with smoke. So it's got the key, it's got the choke, prime it, however much. I should make sure there's fuel in here. Yeah. So I'm going to go through and try and clean the carburetor and see if I can get it to stay running. I'm going to start taking this thing apart and see if I can get this running. I just got to find the carburetor, which is under this somewhere. What do I got to use to pull these out? I want to say 5/16, but... Alright, now I'm going to have to... Oh, sorry, I just hit you guys right on there. I'm going to have to disconnect a few things. Possibly one more thing. This thing right here. Alright, now is there anything else holding this on? Because it needs to be removed. Unclip these wires. The choke. It's all just going to have to... Nothing else holding it on. Unplug this if I can. Jeez. Disconnect the fuel prime bulb. Nothing should be holding it on. Jeez. Alright, what are we looking at here? I don't know what the heck I'm looking at here. I need a flathead. Those are the adjustment screws, but those didn't like to stay adjusted, so that's why I'm taking this whole thing apart now. This isn't even going to take the whole carburetor off. I'm going to have to get 10s and get in there, possibly. I just want to remove this because there's probably a hole under this that might need cleaned. If it's similar to other carburetors that I've cleaned, everything seems to be different. Of course, it depends on how old or new the equipment is. There goes that gasket. There's not a hole there. So I'm going to have to take this bottom piece off, probably. I'm assuming that's where it'll be all gunked up. So I'm going to pinch the fuel line and just take the whole thing off so we can get a good look at it. Does this fit in here? No. You really gonna make me get a wrench? Can I not fit the wrench in here? No way. Who designed this thing, dude? What? I'm not taking this whole cover off. Let's get to the carburetor. I'm taking the choke lever off. This whole cover's falling out of here. Somehow. Now we're just gonna take it apart like this. I'm not messing with all this crap. Bad designs. No thanks. Does this not fit in here? Alright, let's pull out these 4 screws without losing them. I gotta be careful with the gaskets because I don't have gaskets for this, of course. And I don't want to have to try and find gaskets for it, so I gotta be careful. That looks clean. Let's see how it looks under here. Let's try not to rip the gasket. Now, I don't know what I'm looking for. This looks like it would be a jet. Here's the throttle idler screw. Alright, I'm gonna have to take this thing out, I suppose. What's equivalent to a quarter that's not a quarter? There we go, it's a 7. Gently pull this out. Alright, comment down below how dirty you think this is, if there's any dirt in it at all. There's a spring in there. Yeah. Oh. I'm going to put that back in there before I lose it, clean it, and hope for the best. I mean, it looks pretty clean. I thought that was a hole there. That was just dirt. Alright, I'm just gonna spray through the spring. See what happens. Okay, there's a lot of parts in there. Let's not lose those. Now I don't know what I'm spraying through. I don't see any holes really. Let's back this out of here and make sure this is clean, because this blocks the fuel or lets fuel in and out. So let's make sure everything in there is clean, because if that's not clean, it's not gonna run right. That's somehow it goes in here. I don't know. Anyone who knows what they're talking about, let me know what you think. But as far as I can see, it all looks the same. There's a hole here. I'm gonna make sure that that's cleared out. Yeah, okay, I don't know what that just shot out of. Not seeing anything else that needs cleaned. Now I just gotta figure out how this goes back together. Alright, this had a spring on it. This had a gasket on it. Uh-oh. Don't worry. Oh. Where'd it go? It could not have gone far. It was right here. Ain't no way I just dropped the spring. Well, that's that. I'll get back to you guys when I find the spring. So now I gotta, without losing it, stick all of this in here and start to screw it in so I can't lose it. Grab my 7 or whatever it was, screw it back in. Tight, not too tight. Now, I don't know how that works, but the needle, yeah, it's fine. This thing, the throttle control, will go back in about there. Now this is the air, or what I imagine is the air thing. I don't know where that connects to, but I'm gonna pull it out and see if this looks nasty, I suppose, because I've never messed with none of these. It's a nice and clean. I'm gonna spray this out and see if it goes anywhere. Oh, goes right through there. Nice. Good to know that that's clear. Oh, there's a spider right there. Dude, I'm working here. You gotta get out of here. Y'all keep an eye on that for me. I don't want it near me. We'll leave it there for now. I might have to mess with those again in a bit after I get everything put back together and hope it works right. I need this. These go on after. I'm just gonna do 2 corner ones for now. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Just getting that one started to get this one started to get these 2 started. I should be able to test it with it like this, actually. I'm gonna flip it back over and let some fuel back into it. Hope it don't leak. And actually, yeah, I should put this 10 back on down there. I don't want to forget to do this. I think it'll run without that. Well, just so I can shut it off, I'm gonna put this on. Should probably do this outside. I'm gonna have to put this whole thing back together, aren't I? Alright, I'm gonna open the garage and try and start it. Cold. It's cold out. Yeah. Oh, I think I need this plugged in. I have to hook everything back up. I can hook up the prime bulb now then. Turn the choke off. Can this just sit normal for a second? Maybe we'll let more fuel in? How am I bleeding? I don't understand. I swear I get a cut touching a piece of equipment. I don't even have to do anything with it. I can just move it and I'll get a cut on my hand. I don't understand. I'm using this hand to hold it still. That's crazy. Is it because I don't have this thing on? Oh my gosh, I don't want to throw this thing back on. You think it could be this? Because this would help block some of the air. I don't know if this would have anything to do with it or not. Alright, now I gotta put this thing back on. And I'll just hope that it runs right. Why would it run right? Why would it? much air. Why is the choke on? Oh. I'm gonna just stay running. It ran out of fuel. So, I mean, it smokes a lot, but I think the choke might have partially been on that entire time, so that might have been it. So, I guess I'm going to put it all back together, check it with fuel. Alright, before I even bother putting the top piece back on, we'll fuel it up. I'm not going to fill it, because I don't plan on using this. Prime it. Guess we'll choke it. Well, guess I'll put that cover back on. I'll take the gas cap off. Someone can use this for the winter now. It ain't gonna be me because I have that. I gotta see what's wrong with that one and then try and fix it. But that's going to be the end of this video, and if you want to see more, here's a video that you might not have seen, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.